Hi, my name is Kim Bradley. Hello, fellow classmates and instructor Tess. Uh, I actually don't have any experience dealing in the work environment with mental health patients, but what I do have is experience working with my mother who passed in 2014. She had Alzheimer's disease. I watched her deteriorate mentally for at least 5 to 6 years. It was very difficult to see her that way. And I didn't really, of course, I didn't diagnose her. She was diagnosed by her doctor. But just watching a loved one go through something like that is something I don't recommend. So hope to learn a lot more about mental health and mental illness through this class, and I look forward to working with everyone. Uh, Thank you. Look forward to finishing the class with you guys. All right, bye.